I am inviting the United Nations, si Ban Ki, anong pangalan niyang yawa na yan? Ban Ki-moon, Ban Ki-san. So, I am inviting the EU, yung pinakamahusay, send the best lawyers of your town. Pati ang mga rapporteurs, pumunta sila sa Pilipinas. I will write them a letter to invite them for an investigation. But, in keeping with the time-honored principle of the right to be heard, matapos nila akong tanungin ko sila. Isa-isahin ko sila. In open forum, you can use the Senate, o yung Folk Art Center, whatever, everybody will be invited. Tapos manood kayo, tingnan ninyo kung paano ko lampasuhin yung mga yawa na yan. Whatever. Una ko lang tanong sa rapporteur, I killed thousands? O what was the name of the first victim? What happened? Where? For what reason? How was it done? What time was it? Ito si Obama, papatay yung mga blacks doon. Kahapon may binaril na naman na African-American. Kaya magpadala ako ng rapporteur bukas doon sa Amerika. Tanungin itong bakit pinagbabarilin niyo itong mga itim dito? You know? Tapos sabi ng Britain, sabi ng Germany, di warningan nila yung mga Arabs. You stop because we will bomb you. Ang tinatakot ko, mga kriminal, itong inyo, mga bayan ng mundong ito, ang mga kawawang Arab. Kaya ako nagmumura. Kasi kung sila, akala mo with all the pontification and every word that they utter, they would like it to be treated as an ex-cathedra thing. Kung sila marunong, tayo binababoy. Bakit ganon? I will not obey to the unreasonable mandates of whatever mga EU dyan. EU kaya gani, basta maliit ka. Well, not me.